Welcome to Cyber-Theo. Today, I'll show you how to customize the dock on macOS in just 60 seconds. Step 1. Open System Preferences. Click on the Apple menu, in the top left corner of the screen. Select System Preferences. Step 2. Access dock settings. Click on Dock and menu bar. Step 3. Customize dock size and magnification. Adjust the size slider to make the dock larger or smaller. Check magnification and adjust the slider to enable and control magnification when you hover over icons. Step 4. Change position and minimize effects. Under Position on screen, choose left, bottom, or right to move the dock. Select your preferred minimize windows using Effect, Genie or Scale. Step 5. Additional customizations. Check Automatically Hide and Show the dock if you want the dock to disappear when not in use. Enable Show Indicators for open applications to see which apps are running. And that's it. You've customized your dock on macOS. Don't forget to like, comment, and consider subscribing for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching Cyber-Theo.